How's everyone doing this beautiful, beautiful Sunday morning? It's great to be out and to enjoy the wonderful environment full of some good people. And it's a lot of activity going on, and it's great to be a part of the community. There are all kinds of activities in the surrounding area. So get involved, get out the house and get involved, and be productive today, and do something productive for somebody. They will appreciate your good work and your generosity. And I hope everybody's having a great morning, and go ahead, get on out the house. Enjoy the day. Go find something fun and exciting to do. Your body will feel good about it. The body will feel well rested once it's been put to the test. Well, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. I can feel the cool breeze on me from the outdoor weather. I can't ask for a better day. The sun is the driving force that controls heat and light. It controls all plant life and seasons. It's in the universe. Your brain has a direct relationship with the cosmos. Did you know your brain had a direct relationship with the cosmos? Well, it does. The sun increases the brain's release of hormones called serotonin that correlates with mood and focus, according to healthline.com. Furthermore, everything in our brains is associated from the infinitesimal level to complex systems of sensory neurons and other cells that creates even more impenetrable structures. So is everything in the universe. Our brain is connected to the cosmos. Was our brain created in the cosmos? In accordance to an article by hopkinsmedicine.org, the brain is 60% fat and 40% water, protein, carbohydrates, and salts. It contains blood vessels, nerves, neurons, and cells, according to this article. Also, water was first created in deep space when hydrogen and oxygen first formed. No one knows exactly when that was. However, both hydrogen and oxygen improves brain functioning. Wow. Equally important, iron reacts to oxygen in your brain. It creates a red color blood. This perspective is taken from a healthclevelandclinic.org report. Neurons has a directive role in our brain. They use magnetic or voltaic signals to different regions of the brain and throughout the body. Also, in an article, Universe Today, dated November 28, 2020, states that our body is composed of 80 billion neurons that sends signals to our body. What's interesting is that neurons in our galaxy uses structure and complexity and self-organization similar to neurons in our brains. In addition, in accordance with a physics.org report, November 16, 2020, it is believed through this report that about 69 billion neurons network throughout our bodies. In like manner, an observable universe that is composed of 100 billion galaxies. Only 30%, according to this article, is comprised of galaxies and neurons. Wow. Again, a human brain continues to show a cosmic creation. It is not a coincidence that the human brain is similar to the cosmic web in our galaxies. The networks of neurons in our brains work in perfect harmony with our brains. Looking deeper on the impact on the brain during space travel, an MRI study of cosmonauts in a May 12, 2022 article talks about the brain's insula that contains the vestibular area was reduced in size in connection to other brain areas after 200 days in space. An insula is an insular cortex located deep in the sulcus of the brain. Both insula and the vestibular part of the brain helps makes people aware of pain and awareness of body and self, according to Physiopedia.com. In addition, microgravity changes the functioning in the vestibular part of the brain in space travel, causing researchers and the scientific community to go into a tailspin matrix, trying to figure out if the human brain can survive long periods of time in space. Was your brain created in the cosmos? What's more, scientists have reported in a 2021 paper that they are growing many brains in a lab. Brains are made from stem cells from scan samples. There is no indication that lab-grown brains become consciousness, according to the report. How can we be sure that lab brains does not become consciousness? That remains unknown at this point. Furthermore, the brain begins to form early in the first trimester until birth, according to Healthline.com. What is truly astounding is that the brain developed from an unknown location in the cosmos, then appeared in the woman's womb, according to common sense reasoning. Some people act like they may have lost their minds or brains at birth. However, that's another topic. Also, the universe is made of material found in the human brain: normal matter, dark matter, and dark energy. Normal matter is what makes up the human brain. Again, fat, water, protein and carbohydrates, salts, blood vessels and nerves, neurons and cells make up the brain. The highest source of energy in the brain is the glucose. In addition, molecules of glycoaldehyde, for those that didn't get that, it's a fairly long letter word. Glycoaldehyde was located in a gas surrounding a young binary star. Experts say glycoaldehyde is correlated in interstellar space. Interstellar space? Does that mean that a brain was created somewhere in the cosmos? It is also connected to the building blocks of DNA. The building blocks of DNA started in our solar system, in the galaxies. What's more is that glycoaldehyde has components of Aldehydes. Neurotransmitters dopamine and serotonin are converted into aldehydes from glycoaldehydes. Also, glucose is the highest source of energy, and glucose is sugar. Sugar was found in the binary star and other areas of the cosmos. And glucose is found in the brain. So was our brain created in the cosmos? Again, glycoaldehyde was found in a gas surrounding a young binary star. This indicates the process of life started in interstellar space. Glycoaldehyde equals glucose. Glucose equals sugar, in the same meaning as carbohydrates. Both carbohydrates and glucose are found in interstellar space and in the human brain. It sounds like to me that there is a cosmo connection. Again, the neurons in the galaxies or within both systems show long filaments. Between filaments, it also goes on to say that both neurons in the galaxies plays passive roles. Water in the brain and dark energy in the observable universe, according to physics.org news. Conclusively, it is indeed a miracle when a human brain starts to develop inside a woman's womb. That is indeed a miracle. In the first trimester or stage of development, the brain begins to form. What's more astonishing or astounding is that the human brain elements and substance can be found in the physical galaxies, as indicated in my primary report. That is amazing. Our brain is connected to every aspect of our universe. One correlates with the other. One may not be able to survive without the other. You see, without the brain, no one survives. The universe will be just a vast wasteland. So the sun connects itself with the brain. It provides vitamin D, serotonin. It also gives us energy, and it also gives us the ability to perform, and it provides us with some kind of radiance from the sun through melatonin, and it is connected with our serotonin and our moods and our emotions and energy. The sun, everything around us is all energy. We're energy. The brain has chemicals inside the cerebrum cortex and the cerebrum. It all gives out connectivity and radiance. You can't have one without the other. I believe our brain is connected to the cosmos in so many ways. Our materials are found there. But how did it get inside the body? The body was formed in a mother's womb in the first trimester. The brain started to develop in the first trimester. That is amazing. That is astounding. So my question to you is, what is your thoughts on that? Is our brains created in the cosmos? Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.